actually our first time
That's right.
on video.
We're leaving the pavement behind.
Welcome, and here we
That's
go.
right. We hope you enjoy our adventures.
I don't have anything to cut, but if I did, then I would take out my ZT308, which is what this is.
All right. Well, that is pretty cool.
Now, the nice thing about this one is not only does it have great steel, which is 204P, that's a very good at holding its edge, but it's a flipper and it's got a great blade shape. But the nice thing about this especially is this pivot can be adjusted with a 1/2-inch wrench or any wrench or even a pair of pliers. If you had a Leatherman, the thing about folders out when you're doing things like this is if you start to lose the proper tightness of your pivot, then you can end up with a knife that's loose or actually falls apart. And not everybody carries around those Torx bits to keep these at the right tension. So this one you can just use pliers or a wrench, like I said, and keep it adjusted properly. So no matter what happens, you're gonna have a good knife out there that has the right tension and can perform well for you.
And stay safe.
Yeah, that's right.
Very cool.
ZT308.